Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and if there's been one song that's blown up recently, it's definitely Old Town Road. Now, it's kind of a weird song, but I think that's why everyone likes it so much. And there's that whole debate on whether it's country or not, and personally, I think it is a country song. It's talking about old town roads, and it has Billy Ray Cyrus in it, and it's talking about horses in the back. Any of those things is all country. So today we are going to be making a treat inspired by Old Town Road and cowboys in general. We're going to be making a Rocky Road ice cream with marshmallows and slivered almonds. We're going to freeze it, cut it out, and coat it in chocolate. And did I mention they're going to look like cowboy hats? Yeehaw! The ingredients for this recipe are chocolate ice cream, mini marshmallows, slivered almonds, chocolate syrup, and chocolate chill. The first thing we want to do is to create our Rocky Road ice cream. Now this is going to be a very basic and simple Rocky Road, and I chose Rocky Road because country road, country roads are like rocky roads because they're not like paved at all. It's all like gravel. We're going to start by taking our chocolate ice cream and add it to a bowl, and then we're going to follow that with all of our toppings. We've got mini marshmallows here. We like a lot of marshmallows. I've got some slivered almonds, which I toasted. It just gives it a more almondy flavor. And then to enhance our chocolate flavor, I'm just going to drizzle some chocolate syrup on in there as well. Now that we have our simple Rocky Road base, we want to pour it into our pan. We're looking for something that's deep. We're looking for something that's deep, and wide. This is a 9x13 inch pan, and this works perfectly. Simply pour all of your ice cream into it and smooth it out. After all your ice cream is placed into your pan, now we can pop it into the freezer. We want to let it completely harden again, which takes about 1 to 2 hours. Our ice cream had been sitting in the freezer for 2 hours. Then I took a Cowboy cookie cutter and cut out a hat shape, allowed it to chill for another hour, and then inserted in some popsicle sticks. I've placed it on a piece of parchment paper. You could also use wax paper. We just don't want it to stick to it because then how are we going to get it off? They almost look like mustaches. And cowboys have mustaches too. Now it's time for our shell. This is basically just like a chocolate that hardens instantly, and we're going to drizzle it over all of these hats. Give it a nice fine look, like a little leather look. Cowboy leather. Faux leather. I'm just going to drizzle a bunch of the shell on, and then take an offset spatula and smooth it around. And here we have it, our Old Town Road inspired Rocky Road ice cream popsicles that we made today. These are a super easy treat, and you can really use any recipe. We chose Rocky Road with marshmallows and almonds, placed it into a pan and allowed it to freeze, cut it out into cowboy hats, and covered in a chocolate shell. This treat is perfect if you're on the go, or maybe you're just chilling back at the ranch. And if you happen to make this, please share with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who likes Old Town Road, Rocky Road ice cream, chocolate, whatever you saw in this video. And until next time, savor life and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video, and down here's what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys this Sunday.